10 tips to master Arabic grammar. 1. Understand basic sentence structure. Gain a solid understanding of Arabic sentence structure, which typically follows a subject-verb-object pattern. This foundation will help you form grammatically correct sentences. 2. Learn the root system. Arabic words are often derived from 3-letter roots. Understanding the root system can assist in recognizing patterns and forming vocabulary, making it easier to grasp grammar concepts. 3. Focus on verb conjugations. Arabic verbs undergo various conjugations based on factors such as tense, person, and gender. Mastering verb conjugations is crucial for constructing accurate sentences. 4. Practice pronouns. Familiarize yourself with Arabic pronouns, both subject and object pronouns. Understand how they interact with verbs and other elements in a sentence. 5. Study noun-adjective agreement. Arabic nouns and adjectives must agree in gender, number, and case. Pay attention to these agreements to construct grammatically correct phrases. 6. Become proficient in case endings. Arabic uses case endings, nominative, accusative, and genitive to indicate a word's grammatical function. Learn how these endings change the form of nouns and adjectives. 7. Memorize prepositions. Prepositions play a crucial role in Arabic grammar. Memorize common prepositions and understand how they affect the meaning and structure of sentences. 8. Practice with authentic materials. Engage with authentic Arabic materials like newspapers, books, or online articles. Exposure to real-world examples will reinforce grammar rules and enhance your language skills. 9. Utilize language learning. Apps and resources. Take advantage of language learning apps and resources designed for mastering Arabic grammar. These tools often provide interactive exercises and explanations to reinforce your understanding. 10. Seek feedback and correction. Regularly practice speaking and writing in Arabic and seek feedback from native speakers or language instructors. Correcting mistakes is an essential part of the learning process and contributes to improvement. Remember that consistency and patience are key when mastering Arabic grammar. Regular practice, exposure to the language, and a genuine interest in the intricacies of Arabic grammar will contribute to your success.